In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide your balance on Binance using a simple yet highly effective tool, the built-in toggle feature. This is a fantastic way to keep your financial information private, whether you're using Binance on the web or desktop. Privacy and security are important, especially when dealing with currencies and investments online. So let's walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to get started by logging into your Binance account. This is the initial step to access your account details and ensure you're in the right place to make changes to your settings. It also helps to confirm that you're on the official site, so double-check the URL for security reasons. Once you've logged in, the next thing you need to do is navigate to your wallet. You'll find this option located in the upper section of the interface, represented simply as Wallet. After clicking on it, you'll want to select Overview. This area provides a comprehensive view of your various wallet balances and transaction histories in one easily accessible location. Now, turning our focus to the eye icon, which is going to be your best friend in this process. It's a small but mighty feature, and you'll see it located right near your balance on the Wallet Overview page. Its purpose is straightforward yet impactful. It allows you to toggle your balance visibility with a simple click. When you click on this icon, your total balance will switch between being displayed in full or being hidden with a series of asterisks, represented as. This is particularly useful if you're sharing your screen or accessing your account in a public setting and want to maintain your privacy. By clicking this eye icon once, you hide your balance, and by clicking it again, you reveal it. It's worth noting that this toggle feature does not affect any transactions or trading. It merely changes the display of your balance for privacy on your interface. This functionality can be very reassuring, knowing that you can control who gets to see your financial details at the click of a button. In summary, with just a few straightforward actions, logging into your account, navigating to your wallet, and clicking the eye icon, you can easily manage the visibility of your balance. This built-in feature is a simple yet powerful way to protect your financial privacy without any extra hassle. I hope this step-by-step guide has made the process clear for you. Remember, keeping your financial information secure is key no matter how large or small your balance might be. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check back for more tips and guides on managing your Binance account effectively. Thanks for watching.